Hey there, I am Mealtime Mentor Jenny, and I'm here with Nick Calaway, who is the owner and head brewer of Ahnapee Brewing based in Algoma, Wisconsin. And so today we are working through a series called Sips and Snacks, where we pair delicious food with even better craft beer. So we are going to be talking about a pairing for our Peanut Chicken Zoodles. So these zoodles are pretty veggie heavy, lots of great vegetables. We've got bell pepper, carrots, red cabbage, and it's all kind of coated in this rich peanut sauce. So can you talk a little bit about what we're looking for in a beer when we're pairing it with a zoodle dish?
Yeah, so like you said, the veggies are that light component, but really that sauce really coats everything and makes it a rich, filling meal, which is great. We end up thinking that the stout is going to be the best pairing. And in particular, something a little bit sweeter. This one's got a milk stout, just so rich. You want to match the weights of the food with the beer. And nothing makes a beer guy or beer girl's job easier when doing pairings is if you have the ingredient in the beer and in the food. And in this case, we have PB Hobo, which is our peanut butter hobo. It's available in growlers, but it's also available in bottles. And we have a little bit of peanut butter literally in this beer.
That sounds delicious.
So you're gonna get that richness along with that slightly chocolate and roasty notes. And peanuts.
Good pairing,
yeah,
right?
Nothing can go wrong with that. So you can smell the...
You can smell the peanuts.
Yep, you can definitely smell the peanuts. You get a little bit of that chocolate, almost Reese's peanut butter cup feel.
This is delicious.
Thank you. And it's got that sweetness. It's got that coating, which is going to be very similar to the zoodles, but the carbonation is going to really lift the zoodles up and kind of clean your palate. Maybe reset again. So.
Okay, give it a try.
Yeah.
Grab some chicken.
And just before you're done, we're going to try the beer and see which gets elevated. In this case, it really should bring out that peanut in both of them.
I can taste it.
Mm-hmm. It
How
almost
fun.
brings out a little bit of chocolate in the beer too.
Yeah. Well, that's super interesting. Thank you so much for sharing all of your knowledge with us today.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks for having me.
Make sure to check out the rest of our Sips and Snacks series on our YouTube channel. And for more recipes, visit bestfoods.com/meals.